Hello, and welcome back to the Heart of Care podcast. Whether you're on the road, taking a well-earned coffee break, or winding down after a busy shift, this episode is for you. Today, we're diving into something that's, let's be honest, one of the toughest parts of the job. It's not always the clinical work, it's workplace conflict. Now, as a health or aged care professional, you're a vital part of the system. You dedicate yourself to caring for others, but the demanding nature of your work, coupled with the emotional investment you make, can sometimes lead to disagreements. But this is different. It's important to remember that conflict is a normal part of any dynamic environment, especially one as high stakes as healthcare. The reality is that long shifts, demanding workloads, and emotionally charged situations can all contribute to disagreements. The reality is, how you handle that conflict can make all the difference. This episode is your guide to navigating it constructively and turning those workplace challenges into opportunities for growth, stronger relationships, and ultimately better care for your patients and residents. So let's talk about the sources. Conflict doesn't just appear from nowhere. It can be simple communication failures like unclear instructions in a handover. It can be differing work styles or approaches to care. And of course, it can be the sheer stress and burnout we all feel, or tension from resource constraints like staffing shortages. But here's the thing, strong conflict resolution skills aren't just a nice to have, they are essential for fostering team collaboration. They're what allow us to provide optimal care. By acknowledging and addressing conflict, you can turn it into a positive and get back to focusing on what you truly love, providing exceptional care. So, let's talk strategy. What can you actually do when a conflict arises? First, and this is the practical step, utilize established protocols. Most hospitals and facilities have specific guidelines designed to handle conflicts. If you're facing a disagreement with a colleague about a care decision, don't let it escalate in the hallway. Familiarize yourself with your organization's policy. It provides a structured, fair approach. Second, seek mediation. If a conflict escalates beyond what you can resolve directly, that's okay. It doesn't mean failure, it means it's time to bring in a neutral third party. This could be a manager or a trained mediator. Their job isn't to pick a side, it's to facilitate communication and help both sides find a mutually satisfactory solution. And third, something that's so vital but often missed, debriefing after difficult situations. After a particularly distressing shift or a critical incident, our emotions are high. A formal debrief allows the team to reflect on what happened, share their feelings, and learn from it. This practice fosters emotional resilience and vital team cohesion. Now, we know that beyond these strategies, the best solution is prevention, and that comes down to building a culture of respect and collaboration. This means promoting open communication where team members feel safe to express their opinions, maybe through regular team meetings or anonymous feedback channels. It means fostering a culture of respect where everyone is treated well regardless of their position, and inclusive language is the norm. And it means encouraging collaboration, creating opportunities for team members to work together and build relationships. And finally, you can't pour from an empty cup. Managing conflict is emotionally draining. This is where self-care is non-negotiable. You must set boundaries. You must practice stress-reducing techniques, whatever that is for you, whether it's exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. And you must seek support from colleagues, mentors, or mental health professionals. Ultimately, conflict is an unavoidable part of our profession, but it doesn't have to be a negative experience. By developing these skills, you can transform challenging situations into opportunities for growth, stronger relationships, and improved patient and resident care. At Randstad Health and Aged Care, we're dedicated to supporting Australian health and care professionals like you. We understand the unique demands of your profession and are committed to providing you with the resources and guidance you need to thrive. Ready to connect with your peers and access more valuable resources? Join our exclusive online community for Australian care professionals today. Just follow the link in the episode description. And before you go, make sure you follow the podcast and click that bell icon so you're the first to know when a new episode drops. Thanks for listening. We'll see you in the next episode.